This time on building terminology, the laser level. The laser level is a control tool consisting of a rotating laser beam projector that can be affixed to a tripod. The tool is then leveled according to the accuracy of the device and projects a fixed red or green beam in a plane about the horizontal and/or the vertical axis. Laser levels are particularly useful because they can be operated by one person. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can also follow me on Facebook.